Hi, we are from Idis India, and this is mid of 2023, and you are welcome to India. Sooner we will become world's third largest economy in the world. Superb. I would focus on few points straightforward. Apple might start manufacturing iPhone in India. ISRO just launched Chandrayaan-3, and budget of mission was less than the budget of a Bollywood film. It gives us clear direction that not all products that seems expensive are really expensive. We make it expensive since the technology or facility was not available till date. Now we come to our business, Idis India, manufacturer of waterproof thermoplastic enclosures specially used for outdoor applications. Do you know who are major suppliers? I tell you, Fibox, Allied, Hansel, and many more may be from Spain, Italy, Germany, or Europe, or USA manufacturer. If I compared a price between European and Indian enclosures, again, it is same different between cost of NASA and ISRO launch. We realized Indian consumers have no choice as the quality and service are important parts for this enclosure segments. Consumers are putting their high-value electronics or PCB in the enclosures, and this complete system of consumer might again controlling very high value of projects. So they don't want to take the risk. We also realized the enclosures are mostly large in size than weight. So logistic and shipping charges are sometimes higher than the enclosure cost itself. We realized few most irritating moments of consumers, even though they pay high value to European sellers, they don't have choice of any customization, and sometime very long time waiting for shipment to arrive via ship. And we also observed most of new innovations in the beginning do not need large quantity of enclosures, they need only few enclosures for their prototype use. We, Idis India now, are on the mission of supplying innovative, good quality and reasonable enclosures to our Indian consumers. And we are confident if we have support from our customers, we will definitely achieve our mission. We, Idis India, know that at moment we are just on first steps of this mission, and we are making our platform stronger at the very first stage, rather directly jumps into market and supplying our products. Lead time, reasonable price, and customization will solve most of their burning problems, since we are already in India and close to our consumers. For more information, please visit www.idisindia.com. Thank you.